So coming to the solution part, so the objective of the solution is to provide operational decision-making support to the banks. That was a major objective when the solution was developed. Actually, there will be some decision-making system which will be having some confusions and things like that. So the solution provides a operational as well decision-making support to the bank. And the capabilities of solutions are including the gold loan maintenance system, multi-valuations can be done for the assets, and gold loan renewals or margin calls for shortfall cases, maturity date, completion, releasing, tracking, and the inventory management. All those things can be taken care inside the solution. That is a major advantages. And coming to the features, like the data entry is very minimal, like as you do for the KYC for a banking customer or an already existing customer is there who has done the KYC, we can capture the gold details and we can disperse the amounts, and we can have multiple steps of workflow also. And as per the policies of the institution which is lending, we can have a flexibility of the gold loan, like upfront or regular EMIs or loan maturity due dates, etc. And same day dispersal is also available, so that once the customer has come with the gold, we can do the assessment, we can do the KYC, and immediately the dispersal can happen. And coming to the loan management system, like gold loan maintenance is take care completely inside the solution, and loan services from booking, installment, billing, closure, all those steps are taken care. Asset revaluations will be done like as part of an audit or something like that. If any revaluation of the assets to be done, that is also done inside the system. Plus the loan renewals, like if the customer is not able to release it on the specific time, if you want to do a renewal, that is also integrated. And interest collections can be done, like if the customer want to do only the interest payment, that's also possible over here. And if there is an auction or something has happened for the default loans, the asset and sale information also can be managed inside the system itself. And coming to the architecture, like as you see, it has got a web as well as a mobile interface. It has got an API which can communicate with multiple services, and it can be the informations can be in the database. And coming to the core modules, these are the core modules wherein the solution is built in. Like we got the admin module, he has got the entire control of the system, and he can also create users as per the access and rights to be given to the users. And the entire customer onboarding is done through this to the solution itself. And pledge management of the assets or the gold what they're doing, it again managed inside the system. The collections and the billing and all those things will be managed inside the solution, as well as the auction management. If any NPAs are there or if any defaults are there that can be kept for auction, that also managed inside the system. And it has got multiple levels of approval, starting from the KYC, starting from the customer registration or the gold valuation and the purity valuation, audit. All such approvals can be done, configured and done inside the solution itself. And it's got an integrated accounting so that it can communicate with other platforms like an accounting package or a core banking solution as part of the integration. And it's got inbuilt MIS reports. And again, as any of our solutions, we can have a report which can be customized as per the requirement. And coming to the add-on modules, we can have an online gold portal wherein the customer or the employee can log in and he can have give the services or receive the services. Plus gold loan apps are available so that we can have the interaction with the bank or the lending authority for the about the transactions what we have and things like that. And customer mobile applications are available for better understanding for the customer and the product and things like that. And like any of our solution, WhatsApp banking also is integrated, so that I can check my due date of the interest payment and renewal dates and things like that through WhatsApp itself. And debt collection management is also available, and audit app is also available for internal as well as external audit of the assets. And coming to the admin can do the complete accounts management and the creation of various branches, area, region, and zone, as well as territory creation, as well as management will be done by the admin. And creation of the users, groups, and their role management as per the access what should be given to the users will be managed by the admin. And the admin will be setting the workflow and approval settings also. So if you want to have n numbers of workflow approvals or approvals of workflows, that can be customized and configured inside the system. And the charges can be managed inside the system itself, so that from excuse me From organization to organization, the interest, the charges, and the processing charges, all those will be things will be vary. So as per the requirement and as per the industry, as per the standard of that particular organization, we can have all the charges configured and can manage inside the solution. Rate and percentage management is also inbuilt in the system, and we can have a product management also, which is similar to the inventory management. And limit settings are available, like if you want to have this limit to be set, okay, for this 10 grams of gold, what should be given, and for the this much of purity, what should be the amount dispersed. Such kind of things can be set, so the limit can be set. Interest rates also can be managed, so that we can have multiple products configured inside the solution. And pickup masters are there, like if you want to have the menus configured by as per your own wish, or the codes or keywords to be used in the menu, we can have a pickup master and get the things done. And cost center management is available, as well as there is a small HRMS system wherein we can have the holiday management depending on the zone where the solutions deployed in. And message management is there, like for alerts and notices and things like that, we can have a message management which can be automated. And coming to the customer onboarding, the entire KYC of the customer can be done through the system itself. And the customer document management, this would be ID proof, address proof, or the documents relevant to that particular ornament or the gold. Everything can be managed in the system, and we can have a 360-degree view of the customer. And coming to the pledging management, there's a pledge master, and we have an article management for management of the article, and serial number management is there. There are multiple levels of serial number management. Like once you have the asset, you will be packing and keeping. That's a normal procedure. So we'll be packing, and there will be barcode or serial number specified in the package, and that will be opened only if there is an auditing happening from the internal or external party, or once the releasing is happening. So in case if it is opened by an other authorized person, their serial number will be again marked over there, and which it will be having a new barcode or a new serial number, which is again entered into the system, so that we can have a verification, like who has opened it, whether it's an authorized or unauthorized access, what has happened, and we will be having an entire log of what has happened. Plus the bond and document printing is available, so the receipt, bond, and document related to the pledging can be done completely. Workflow settings is available, and inventory management is there, and we can have a pledge bond management also inside the system. Coming to the collections part, we got various options of doing the collection. This will add more and more advantage to the customer actually. So if you want to do a part payment, or if you want to do a release of the particular ornament, he can do that. Or if there's any waiver is given for any farmers or any particular category, that also can be managed. Notification notice management can be done inside the system, so that we can send the notices in the regular intervals, or the notifications in the regular intervals. And article release, that is one more thing what will happen, like ornament not released. Like if I have paid the interest and I am taking it on a later stage, or I don't have the relevant document, or I am taking in somebody's behalf, that should be marked inside the system, since it's a very valuable asset what we are dealing with. So it is something like, so we have an article release management over there, and approval of workflows are also there. As we told, there is so many maker checker concepts and maker checker flows available, so that all the approvals and workflows can be managed by the admin, or as per the need of the institution. And we have got an inbuilt model for the auction, assets auction also. Like if somebody has not released it, so that next procedure is the asset will be going for an auction, so that we can have the complete auction workflow inside the solution. Like we can forward the asset to the auction. We can go for an auction acceptance. That is one level of approval actually. And LOT managements are there, and asset to lots is there. Like we can have an ornament going, and we can make it small lots like that, and we can have the grading as per the quality or various other parameters. We can do the sales process, so that we can have a receipt generator, like who has bought it, what is the amount, what we have received, and what should go to the customer, and or the customer should pay something extra. All those things can be managed instead. And the auction sale completion, the entire cycle can be completed inside it. And loan closure process, while gold auction process also is inbuilt, as I told you. Like if there is some amount should go to the customer, we can give it, or if something is to be collected, we can collect it, and we can close the entire workflow over there. And auction return process also there. Like if any case that auction didn't happen, or some ornaments has not gone for auction, the return will happen. That again will come back to the asset, so that also is managed completely inside the solution. And coming to the approvals, we have got multiple level of approvals like branch level authorizations, or the credit manager level of authorization, or a head office level authorization. And if you want any have any multi-level authorizations like two people or one accountant and one credit manager should do the authentication like that. So entire hierarchy as per the requirement of the institution can be done through the system. And plus we have got an integrated account module which will take care of the bank account management, approval management, and the check inventory. And we can set templates also in the system. Like if you have some regular printing of some instruments or some receipts and things like that, such templates also can be managed inside the solution. And all general accounting reports like the day book, receipt, disbursement, general ledger, profit and loss, balance sheet, everything is inbuilt inside the solution itself. And coming to the MIS, that is Management Information System reports, we have got a pledge reports is there, closure reports, interest registers are there, stock report is there, outstanding reports is there, and we can print various statements, notices, customer reports is there, account reports are there. If any auctions has happened, we can have the auction reports and reports related to the head office, reports related to the non-performing assets. All those things are already integrated, and again, it can be customized. And we have got one more plugin or an additional feature over here. Like we have an online gold loan, okay, which has been already customized in the system, so that any customer can log in using their mobile number, and they can see the outstanding, or if they want to do interest payment or any top up, like if I pledge for an X amount, if I'm eligible for another some amount, then I can do a withdrawal or a top up can be done. Or if I want to pay any interest or principal, all those things can be done through the system itself. And uh, if I want to renew, or if I'm eligible for renewal, instead of going to the bank, I can sit in my place only and I can do all these things online. And coming to there is other facility what we offer is like we have got an on-site gold loan. Like as Mr. Praveen mentioned, like the bank is going to the customer and they'll be taking the gold from them, and the immediate dispersal of the amount will be done over there, so that the customer onboarding, the loan application processing, approvals, disbursement, everything will happen on site. That is on the customer's doorstep. And we have got a mobile app also for the customers other than WhatsApp banking, so they can view their details, account details, ledgers, top up loans, repayment, all those details can be seen by the customer. And in WhatsApp also, the customer has got option to view their account details, their ledger or top up loans, repayment. And we have an FAQ session which will be very helpful for the customer support. And coming to the collection management, there is a tracking and management of delicacy cases is there, so that once a person is going for the field, we can have the set the priority and give the cases to him, so that he can do the collections accordingly. And again, hierarchy based allocations also can be given to the collector, so that as per the hierarchy of the or authority of the particular collection agents, that things will be automatically the collection details will be automatically given to them. And tracking of the skip tracking functions is there, and it's got an onboard dashboard, so that I can have in one view itself like what all I'm supposed to do and what is outstanding, which are collections I should do, etc. And agency payout engines are all available. Again, it's again workflow based legal modules also applicable in the collections. And again, additional features to the collection, there's letter generations are there. So if I want to issue a notice to somebody, I can do that. And I go to do a follow-up management with a call center integration feature. And recovery process, like mobile app for recovery team is available, so that I can go to the customer's place, I can do the collection, I can do the entry in the mobile itself. Plus the incentive management is inbuilt inside the mobile. And coming to the audit app, that this is one more additional feature. And as most of you know, that we have a different software itself for the audit application, again, which is derived, one section is derived from the gold loan module. So in the audit, we can do the entire designing of the audit. We can schedule the audit. We can assign it to the clerk or the audit clerk, or the people who is conducting the audit. They can conduct the audit by recording their observations, and we can generate the report accordingly. And follow up and re-audit also can be customized, so that the automatic triggers or automatic intimations will come when there should be a re-audit happen. And again, mobile app is also available for the auditors. And since like any of our other solutions, security is also a major constraint. What we are taken care in the development, because so much of in customer informations or the asset information, everything is flowing through the system. So all the data is encrypted, and it has got an identity tokens for verification, and the solution is OWASP compliant. So this is the here we this is the end of the presentation. So right now we will just again go to the an overview of the solution. Just share my screen once again. So this is a login screen, and like all of our other solutions, it has got multiple level of authentication, so that I can have an OTP based or a biometric based or an username, password, or a captcha based authentication can be done over here. And this the solution can be used for multiple branches as well. So that once a username and password is given by the user, so automatically the branches wherein I have got access will be displayed over here. If I want to change the branch, I can do that. And as a secondary authentication, I can have the password set for the branch also. So once both the categories are matched, then only I'll be able to get into the system. And here I can have an overview of the day. That is like what is the rate today, what is the rate today, and what all products has been already configured. And as per each product, how much can I lend to the customer? All these details will be displayed over here. It's again a real-time dashboard. And coming to the master part, that customer management, we can do the customer creation by putting all his KYC details, his photo, and his ID proof attachments, and all those things. So this is if I'm having I'm doing for a new customer, and the solution can be integrated with multiple other solutions like CBS and things like that. So if I have a customer base in that particular application, all those informations can be fetched over here. I can just search with the customer name or customer ID or the branch, so that the or details will be automatically filled up if the customer has already done the KYC verification. And again, not no, the general features like the viewing the documents of the customer, or if I want to upload a photo of the customer, and the details updations, and customer documents view, all those things, or and editing is available over here. And coming to the transactions part, under gold loan, I have taken you to the presentation, like what all functions are available. So these are the places where the execution of things will be happening, like the pledging of the ornament, so that I can create an ornament over here with all the details. What is the ornament? What is the category? What is the weight and things like that? And under what scheme I am trying to pledge it, so that once I enter the details, and the scheme is selected, all the details will be displayed over here as per the quality and the quantity of the ornament. And I can process the pledging over here. And if anybody is coming for a part payment, like interest payment, or a part of the loan payment, we can do we can do the registration, or sorry, the entry over here, and do the processing. And if they come for the release of the ornament, where they're closing the loan or releasing it, we can do it over here. And if it is under an EMI, there are so many organizations which are giving loans on EMI. Sorry, the gold loan EMI, so they can procure gold and do a pledge it and do the EMI payment. So such kind of a solution also such kind of a product also can be managed inside. And coming to the brand serial number, as I told you, we got multiple level of managing the serial number, so that as per the auditor and as per the cashier or the assessment officer, everyone can have a serial number or a barcode generator, and each and everything can be tracked inside the solution. And if any VVS are happening, we can record it over here. And approval like the from the credit manager or from the bank branch manager, approvals can be done inside. If I want to generate any notices, it can be done over here with the templates which has already been saved. And special auditors serial numbers, if they want to put any serial numbers or the barcodes in any discrepancies, something is found, we can do it over there. And accordingly, we can have the loan closure documents updated. And if they and once a pledging is done, we can have the bond printed, and we can have a bond inventory also managed inside the system. And if you want to pledge from the inventory, like the already asset is there, and if you want to top up or have an additional loan or things like that, that can be done through the menu out here. And we can have multiple products also configured over here, and we can have a account section, as I told, like the entire transactions of a day, like if a transfer is from happening from a cashier to other cashier, I can record all those things over here. And coming to the like it's a cash pay or bank pay or journal, all those things I can just select, and I can do the transactions under that particular headers. And coming to the approval and rejection of entries is again the approval mechanism. If any for the transactions as per the requirement of the organization, we can set it, and the approval and rejections can be managed. And check inventory is also inbuilt in the solution. And the reconciliation of the accounts, what has been happened on daily basis, that can be done. Or if any check cancellations are there, that can be done. And if you're doing like any regular templates, like for receipt preparation or bond preparation, we can have a template created, and we can use it completely. And coming to the auction center, this is the additional auction module what is available, which is inbuilt inside the solution. So that if you want to forward a particular asset to the auction center, that can be done over here. And once it is done, the approval or the acceptance of the auction will be done. We can have the thing as a divider as a lot, and we can assign that one particular asset to that particular lot. And grading of the ornaments as per the type of the ornament or as per the purity, and all those things can be done. Sales process can be managed, and things what has happened in the sales can be recorded over here. And auction sales completion is there. And once it is done, once it is done, that entire loan can be closed, and the dispersals can be done accordingly. And if any auctions any assets are returned without getting auctioned, that also can be entered over here. And these are the things which will coming and which is coming in the auction module. And coming to the head office module, we have got any VVS or something is there, then that will come under here. And authorization, we have got multiple level of authorization as per the requirements, so that branch level or the credit manager level or a head office level approvals, all those things can be done. And if any inter-branch transactions are happening, like from one branch to a different branch, some transactions happening, all those things can be accorded over here. Plus the account authorizations also will happen here. And coming to the reports, we have got variety of reports wherein relevant to the gold loan, like the pledging, closure, and overdue, or all such reports will be coming here. And reports relevant to the customer, like the reminders, their register, the loan status, and their feedback, etc. And coming to the accounts, we have the daily statement, ledgers, trial balance, balance sheet, etc. And coming to the auction report, we have got like a lot report, grading, and a gold loan auction acceptance. All those things can be generated here. And the reports relevant to the head office, like uh, related to the product by product. If you want, we can have a report or the interest and things like that. And all the reports can be drilled down to any level. And other general reports, like the day closure, or if I want to have an EMI calculation to be done, or the NPA reports, all those things can be done over here. And most of our financial solutions has got a day closure as well as a day closure checklist. So once that particular all those processes are completed, then only I'll be able to close the day and start another day. So you can see like one activity is not closed, so that I can get the relevant people to do the activity done. Then I can complete the day end process. And coming to the utilities, like we have got report printings are there. And since the bond or the receipt what is given has the value equivalent to the asset, so the reprinting will happen only on authorization. So we have given a reprinting authorization, reprinting option only on authorization. These are few utilities available. And coming to the administration part, here the creation of the product, management of the branches, management of the route of the groups, user right, and mapping of the area with the branch, and user group creation mapping, area, the pickup master configuration, as well as scheme creations, changing in interest, and if you want to register any particular your service charges or things like that, all these things will be coming under the administration. Plus, we can have the entire user log also, like who has logged in, what time, and what all changes has been done. All those things can be viewed under the administration. Okay, so this is as such our uh, gold loan solution. So right now we have gone through the process of how to accept register a customer, register his assets or what is going, and give him the amount. That's the amount or loan dispersal. And if he is coming for a repayment, we can do the repayment. That's as a part payment or a full payment, and settlement can be done, and the releasing of the ornament can be done. Each and everything is recorded. Auditing of the asset can be done, and the recording can be done through serial numbers or barcode, since it is a physical asset. And we have gone through the auction process also of the ornament, wherein we can send the particular asset to the auction center, categorize it, and sell it over there, and the settlement of the loan after the auction. Plus, if there is anything returning, if something is not getting auctioned, the returning of the assets also. So that is the entire process of the gold loan which has been taken care over here. So this is the overview of the product.